Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Singh and I will be your instructor in this course. In this course, we're going to learn about Spring Boot microservices. So what are we going to achieve after this course? We'll start with designing two microservices using API first approach. Then we will learn how the microservices going to discover, communicate with each other on our local machines. And finally, we will deploy them on Google Cloud platform and interact with them. So what detailed topics we're gonna cover? First, we will design our API following Open API specifications. Then we will generate the API stubs using Swagger code generator. Then we will implement APIs from pluggable API dependency using Spring Boot and in-memory database. Then we learn about Swagger configuration for our Spring Boot microservices. Then we will implement a unit test case on JUnit 5 and integration test case using Spring Boot test. Later then we will see how service discovery works using Eureka server. We'll also see how distributed tracing we can do between microservices. We will learn how we can monitor our microservices and how we can get metrics out of them. Later we'll see how we can do logger configuration between different environments. Also we learn about exception handling between microservices. Then we'll generate Docker image out of our microservices. We'll run microservices on our local machines using Docker images, and then we'll push these images to our Docker Hub registry. Later we'll set up Kubernetes on our Google Cloud platform. We will deploy then our microservices on Google Cloud platform, and later we'll see how we can trace logs on Google Cloud platform. So these are all topics we're going to cover in this course, and I hope we both going to learn a lot learning together in this course. See you in next class.